the what's ups. Today on this episode of Mayhem and Motorcycles, it's freezing here in Lubbock. That's what it is. But on another note, we got some parts that come in. Nothing really that's gonna help me ride it. Not that I can because it's so freaking cold. But yeah, let's see what we got. Alright, so I don't know if many of y'all have seen these Bates center stands. I actually saw my first one off of Haley Davidson's Instagram TikTok thing. And she had one and put it on her panhead. So I was already having issues with my kickstand because of the way I have my floorboards on here. So I went and tried to extend it. I welded it longer so that way it had more length to drop down, but I did not take in consideration placement of the spring. So I said screw it all together and remembered that center stand, excuse me for my sniffles if I'm through this video. It's freaking 20 something degrees outside. I'm cold and yeah, know what I mean, Vern? So the measurements from here to here is the same. Okay, so they're the same measurements as my frame, so I don't think it's going to be too much of an issue to get it on, but you know how choppers are. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this and drink the rest of my coffee, and then we'll get onto it. Alright, this is a little more complicated than I was anticipating. So, started out here, and the legs were too long to flip down. So then I went up another section, and the legs are still too long. To give you an idea, this is the section that is adjustable. So even at this spot right here, this is the adjuster out, and I've basically got the bike bottomed out where it's just barely on the scissor lift. So then I went a little higher, and then we are like this, maybe an inch too short with this adjusted all the way out. So the cool medium is right here. Only thing is, the space between here and here is so small I can't actually get in and bolt it. So only thing I can think of is welding in the actual bracket to the frame, and I guess we're gonna see how it works. Alright, I think that's a placement I'm gonna keep it. Let's get ready to weld it. Alright, well there she is. The scissor lift is now out of the way, and she is standing on her own 2 feet. So I'm about to pull her up the lift and actually get her on the ground and see how that's gonna work when I'm actually sitting on the bike. So let's see what happens. Far out. Well, that's how she works. She works real good. As you can see, the way it's made, it has maybe about 3/4 of an inch more on this side. I guess it's so that way your foot can catch onto that little lever right there, but so I can't reach it with my foot, so getting up and then kicking it out and pulling it up is fairly easy, I guess. It'll get a little used to, and I'm pretty sure I'll find an easier way to do it as I'm doing it, but there she is. The cool thing about it is it'll help me kick it over easily because there will be no lean. So turned out pretty good. I was a little worried. I guess I will find out how she does on dirt roads and fields and all that good stuff too, huh? Alright, well, it is 32 and feels like 22. So how about we try to get a coach start in? Well, I guess it's getting too cold for these guys to stay running. And I'm already freezing, so I'm gonna go ahead and start putting everything up. But again, man, that just looks so pretty cool, man. I love that I'll be able to keep it in line and with no leans. That's a freaking bomb. Well, that's it for this episode of Mayhem Motorcycles. Stay tuned when we get some more parts and hopefully ride it next time.